Ladies and gentlemen, we have a problem. It's already broken. Well, I don't know if it was broken when I first got it, but I don't know if you see right there, but this is a chassis brace right behind there, and the welds broke off on it. It's supposed to be down there, but I just got a welder, so should be able to fix that. I know how to weld. It is just a Harbor Freight one. Hell yeah, look at this unit. And I also got a freaking sick helmet with racing stripes on it. Look at that. It even says it has racing stripes on it. So look at this unit right here. Oh. It even has the sparklies in it, dude. Look at that. Not too shabby for like 20 bucks. And it's auto darkening, so that's nice. Now for the welder. Hell yeah. I'm probably gonna need two hands to open this. There she is. So it's a 125, so I could just plug this straight into the wall. I'm gonna get a bigger one someday because I have that plug over there that I can do 220 with, but for now I think this will work. Comes with two cups and an electrode, so that's nice. Probably don't need to weld too much, so it should last me quite a bit. And I obviously had to get some wire for it. All right, I got a test piece just to kind of dial everything down, and that's about the same thickness. So we're gonna see how it goes and see if I can actually weld with this thing. Okay, it's not bad. Probably a little hot, so we can dial that down a tiny bit. And we can give it another try, see what we can do. Say it might be a tiny bit better, but it'll get the job done. There's no really porosity or anything like that, so yeah, I say this should work. It should get us where we need to go. So I realized that I didn't have anything to clean the metal when I first started. So it's definitely not the best weld, but honestly, the metal's so freaking thin on that thing. I was blowing through it, and my heat level is super far down. But here, let me try to find a hammer. There we go. Well, it doesn't break immediately. So I think time will tell once we start kind of welding itself to it. Once we start using this more often, jumping it in and all that jazz. I just got to tighten that up, put the battery terminal back on. Then we'll see if it'll actually hold. This side, it seemed like it's good. I mean, it has way more bracing on it. I don't know why the other side didn't, but we'll probably do that later. We can cut some corners out of like my spare metal that I had. So yeah, let's go see if it if it holds. Out of nowhere, we were coming down to go test out the truck after my repairs, and there's just this Carby out of nowhere. So they're kind of heading down the same area we're going to, so let's go. Yeah, out of nowhere, they're going the same direction. So look at this old Viper. I really want a Viper someday. And man, every Camaro that's here, too bad there's no Mustangs, but every Camaro that's here is like chopping away, so. Look at all of them. Out of nowhere, dude. We're in Mexico, all right? We're in Mexico. That Viper is so sick. Comment down below if I should get a Viper one day. The truck definitely needs a V8 though. I can't really keep up too much with these cars. But these guys are wild. They're just hauling butt around everywhere. We lost a few of them back there. They kind of got stuck in traffic, but we're just too fast for them. All right, we have arrived, so we're gonna go over here. Maybe we can catch some of the cars when they pass by. Cam Z06, Lexus. Got some bikers. It's literally just wilding today. We got some more coming up. Can't tell if that was a V6. Whoa, Infinity. Is that an M3? Well, I think that's all of them. But now we gotta test this thing. All right, we know this thing is kind of uncomfortable on the rocks, but it's a really cool view spot up here, so we're gonna I'm doing this one-handed. Oh. Well, we made it. Oh, there's kind of a big rock up there. Well, we made it. We see if the welds held up. All right, so we made it up. It's pretty much a rock crawler now. Look at that flex. No wheel gap. Better than you Subaru guys. Anyways, pretty much a cool view spot. I just wanted to come over here. Why not? Didn't expect that meet. But the real test, there's some trails over that way that we can hit pretty fast, and then it would really test out the welds. Let's go check them out. Yep, they're still there. Cool. So we'll do the real test over there, so we'll head over there now. Yeah, I broke the welds again. I was taking her pretty hard, but I'll probably do it right next time. I need to get some tools to kind of clean up the metal a little bit better. And then, like I said, I'll get those side plates that'll kind of help it. It'll get a little stronger, but yeah, let's get an end cap of this. Alright, looks like I gotta do a little bit more to it. We did send her pretty freaking hard though, so you gotta give me that. But yeah, I need to get some more tools, cut up some little metal tabs to kind of support it a little bit better. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and stay tuned for more stupid stuff like this. I'm only gonna send it even more, so you just have to subscribe to see that. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.